Welcome to Hidden Wonders of Nature, where we explore the amazing benefits of natural ingredients. In today's episode, we will be discussing flaxseed and its numerous health benefits, especially in weight loss. Before we get into this amazing video about flaxseed, please be advised the information presented in this article/video is for educational purposes only and should not be taken as medical advice. Before making any changes to your diet or lifestyle, please consult with a qualified healthcare provider. The author/presenter is not responsible for any errors or omissions in the information provided or any consequences resulting from the use of this information. Flaxseed, also known as linseed, is a small, golden or brown-colored seed that is packed with nutrients. It has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine for its health benefits. Today, it is gaining popularity as a superfood due to its many health benefits, including weight loss. One of the main reasons why flaxseed is so beneficial for weight loss is because it is high in fiber. In fact, just 1 tablespoon of flaxseed contains around 3 grams of fiber. This fiber helps to promote feelings of fullness and reduces hunger, which can help to prevent overeating and snacking between meals. Furthermore, flaxseed contains a type of fiber known as mucilage, which forms a gel-like substance in the stomach. This gel slows down the digestion of food, which can help to control blood sugar levels and reduce insulin resistance. This, in turn, can help to prevent the accumulation of fat in the body and promote weight loss. Flaxseed is also rich in healthy fats, including omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats help to reduce inflammation in the body, which can lead to weight gain and other health problems. In addition, omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to increase the body's sensitivity to insulin, which can help to control blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Flaxseed promotes weight loss through its high protein content. Protein is essential for building and repairing muscle tissue, which can help to boost metabolism and burn more calories. In fact, studies have shown that increasing protein intake can help to promote weight loss and reduce body fat. In addition to these weight loss benefits, flaxseed is also packed with other nutrients that are essential for overall health. For example, it is high in antioxidants, which help to protect the body against damage from free radicals. It also contains lignans, which are phytoestrogens that have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. One of the unique benefits of flaxseed is its ability to promote healthy gut bacteria. This is because flaxseed contains prebiotics, which are indigestible fibers that feed the good bacteria in your gut. By promoting a healthy gut microbiome, flaxseed can help to improve digestion and nutrient absorption, which can further support weight loss. Another way in which flaxseed may aid weight loss is through its effects on hormones. Flaxseed contains lignans, which are phytoestrogens that can help to balance hormones in the body. This is especially beneficial for women who may be struggling with weight gain due to hormonal imbalances. By balancing hormones, flaxseed can help to reduce cravings, improve mood, and support weight loss. The best part of incorporating flaxseed in your diet is, flaxseed is high in healthy fats. It is also relatively low in calories. 1 tablespoon of flaxseed contains around 37 calories, which is a relatively small amount compared to other calorie-dense foods. This makes it a great choice for those looking to add more healthy fats to their diet without overdoing it on calories. To incorporate flaxseed into your diet, there are many options available. One of the easiest ways is to add ground flaxseed to your meals or snacks. You can sprinkle it on top of yogurt or oatmeal, mix it into smoothies, or even add it to baked goods like muffins or bread. Finally, flaxseed is incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate into your diet. In addition to adding it to meals and snacks, you can also use flaxseed oil as a healthy cooking oil or salad dressing. This can be especially beneficial for those looking to reduce their intake of unhealthy fats like butter or vegetable oil. Overall, there are many reasons why flaxseed is a great choice for anyone looking to improve their health, support weight loss, or simply add more nutrients to their diet. Its high fiber, protein, and healthy fat content, along with its many other beneficial nutrients, Make it a true superfood and a hidden wonder of nature. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. See you in the next one.